This is Shirley and Arizona's movie Take One. We're saving a bird. It's limping, and the poor... Even seagulls need to be saved, people. We're waiting here till the Humane Society gets here to rescue our poor little new friend.
She can't move. She limps when she walks and she can't fly.
We watched the bird try to fly and it just can't do it.
So Animal Rescue's on its way to help our little friend.
Yep. And we're not leaving until it gets here because we don't want the poor little thing to get run over by a car. See how the other ones moved. So pretty looking, eh?
Oh no, and now he's gonna run her down. Okay, little birdie, here comes your help.
I'm not leaving until someone comes for this poor seagull.
Yeah,
I'm like, they need help too.